Up to this point, we've been providing you with EasyTitles project files adjusted to each lesson. But setting up your own EasyT project file is a key component in the EasyTitles workflow. Everything you do here can make your life easier in the later stages of the subtitling process. Unlike other popular subtitling software, in EasyTitles, the focus isn't the subtitles file, but the EasyT project file. From a project file, you can export subtitles files in a number of formats without losing your original settings. In addition, you can use the project file to store information that's crucial to you, such as revisions and comments, but that shouldn't make its way to the end product. Let's start by clicking on New. On the left-hand side of this dialog box, we see a list of project templates. This allows you to store your most frequent settings to reuse them later. For example, you can have one template per client or one template per project, whatever makes your life easier. There's another window called Preview, which you can toggle with this checkbox. The Preview window allows you to see in real time how your settings affect the subtitles visually. You can adjust the zoom level and choose which subtitle is being previewed if you have any subtitles in the project. Let's go to the Type tab. In this tutorial, we're only going to cover the Digital Cinema mode, which you can use to generate subtitles for most platforms, including cinema, TV, and social media. You can learn about the other modes in the EasyTitles documentation. Here under Video Format, we adjust the settings to match those of the video we're going to use in the project. Under Format, you can set the display resolution. There are several presets and a custom option if the video has different dimensions. Under Frame Rate, you need to choose the same frame rate as that of the video. If the project frame rate doesn't match that of the video, EasyTitles will show you a warning and give you a chance to change it. Finally, you can add a letterbox or a pillar box here in the letterbox drop-down menu. Here under Timecode Format, we can choose the standard by which EasyTitles counts frames. Frames are usually counted in groups of 24, 25, 30, and so on, and you need to select here the standard that matches that of your video. In the next two lessons, we're going to take a look at how to correctly configure the display resolution and frame rate for your projects.